Hey, hi friends, this is Padma from Profile Plus. While it's raining, we might love lying in the bed and listening to the rain patter on the roof. So, what does this word mean, rain patter? The sound of the patter is nothing but the sound of rain. Normally, we hear this rhythmic tapping sound on the roof while it's raining, isn't it? That sound is called patter. Okay? The rain patter is nothing but the sound what you hear while it's raining. So use this word from today. It's nothing but pattering or patter. To know more vocabularies like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel Profile Plus. Thank you.